Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best recovery boards for 4x4s and Jeeps in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best recovery boards for 4x4s and Jeeps. Starting at number 5, we have the Maxsa Compact Folding Traction Mat. This compact traction mat from Maxsa is the solution to constantly getting your car stuck in snow or mud. Not only can it fit to any vehicle size, but it also folds up into a package that's small enough to fit in the trunk. It's just 1 inch long by 1 inch wide. Instead of the traditional array of spikes you see on most boards, its break-resistant plastic can withstand extremely cold temperatures, and secures to the ground without any slipping. Once you feel your vehicle is stuck, do not press the gas pedal and spin the tires. Use the end of the escaper buddy to dig out the stuck tires. Place the escaper buddies under the front wheels of a front-wheel drive car or the rear wheels of a rear-wheel drive car. Gently press the accelerator pedal to drive up onto the escaper buddies and free the stuck vehicle. Moving on at number 4, we have the Maxsa 20333 Escaper Buddy Best Traction Mats. Maxsa 20333 Escaper Buddy traction boards are designed by expert engineers to get you unstuck from any kind of obstacle, snow, sand, or mud. They are made of high-quality polypropylene to make them durable yet lightweight. Despite being comparatively wider and longer than many other products presently available in the market, this set of boards are pocket-friendlier than others. Extremely helpful for off-roaders, these boards are compatible with both Jeeps, vans and trucks, and SUVs. The boards have treads on the top to grip the vehicle's tires and on the bottom to grip the surface. They are also helpful for digging ice, mud, and sand underneath the vehicle. Addressed as life-saving by a significant number of customers, this set of recovery boards is popular mostly because of its affordable price and material quality and width. One of the best sellers of the recovery board market, this product is helpful in signaling other passing vehicles owing to their bright color. At number 3, we have the Maxtrax MKII Blaze Yellow Vehicle Recovery Board. Maxtrax keeps its age-old reputation and standard up with MKII Blaze Yellow Vehicle Recovery Board, which is designed by Australian technicians and comes with a lifetime warranty. A perfect blend of brilliant design and high-quality material, this pair of the board will save your day, may it be a snowy path or sandy road that you are stuck on. UV-stable engineering-grade reinforced nylon as material ensures a higher level of resistance, and aggressive and large teeth ensure a better grip of the tires. Also, specially designed teeth on the rear side, which is Maxtrax's special feature, prevent the board from slipping backwards. With 6 built-in handles and a shovel on each side, the boards are great in clearing debris like snow or sand from in front of the tires of your vehicles. At number 2, we have the ARB Tredprogr Recovery Boards Tredprogr. Coming out as the result of a partnership between ARB and Tred, these recovery boards are best known for the flexibility of the industry-leading highly engineered nylon formulation, great grips, and unique design. The users appreciate the boards to be sturdy, robust, heavy, and solid, making them one of the best designed and executed vehicle recovery systems ever. The boards are designed after analyzing multiple tire patterns to give maximum grip and traction to tires. In these boards, you will get supreme durability with Tred's dual composite material in their Exo tread. Additionally, you can store the boards easily in your car because of their lower stacking height. They also have those extremely useful shovels with ergonomic handles used to clear debris under the tires. These boards are directional unlike many other brands, including a resolute entry and an exit. The entry part helps the tires to grab the boards in a finer and stronger manner. And that's why, while putting the boards under the tires, the wheels get the most amount of surface area engaged. The green-colored recovery boards are designed with black teeth, which are exceptionally nifty and positioned accurately to match all kinds of terrain tires. The glass-filled resin nylon teeth are helpful to resist damage caused by wheel spin. May it be sand or mud or snow, The recovery boards are easygoing while entering underneath the tire to remove the sand or snow. And finally at number 1, we have the X-Bull New Recovery Traction Trax Sand Mud Snow. The new X-Bull recovery boards can turn to be your solo protector when bogged down in any sticky situation on a tough road, thanks to its excellent nylon material and great durability. The boards have bottom-bending proof cruciform grips which are great grabbers of underneath land. But the feature that will make it dearest to you is its affordability. They are not as expensive as industry-leading brands like Tred or Maxtrax. But according to the users, they combine the best qualities of both those famous brands, like traction design of Tred and sloping ends at both ends like Maxtrax. The recovery traction mat from X-Bull can be used as a shovel as well to dig the mud or sand under your wheels. The X-Bull New Recovery Traction Trax come with a set of 2 boards and a nice storage bag. They belong to the latest generation and costs much less than the other expensive alternatives. So if you are going for a budget buy, these recovery traction mats from X-Bull can be your savior.
Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.